Dad,
What's up, God? What's up, Doug? Oh, it's all different now.
All different. Right?
It's all different now.
It's better. There's no more duct tape. No more duct
But there
tape.
was no duct tape before.
Yeah.
Fucking Gabble bees. Holy.
Throw the only spot.
Yeah, man. Word
Show
up.
up for you guys, you know?
Yeah, I got you. I got you. No hood. What? That's crazy. 2 filters. What?
Hey, put the rest of us.
Why did you even buy it? Right? That looks so much better.
Just don't start driving the rain.
Let's get the shit into that deal. Fuck yeah. 100% legal conversation.
What's up, bro?
What did you do? Sleep in?
So you drive this like no hood in the rain too? In the snow?
Snow now.
Snow now?
Snow now. Just like that.
Just like that. That's crazy.
We try to like slowly clean up all this,
Yeah.
but it's like bitch to get it done.
Yeah.
Eventually,
That looks awesome. That's right.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's different.
I love it.
It's different.
Do you still have the hood, or did
Yes.
you get rid of
Still
it?
at my house.
As we saw, he gets
It's
pulled out
annoying
on
taking it off and on.
Instagram and all.
Yeah. Nice.
What?
So this is from a Corvette, eh?
It's for a Corvette. It was literally, so where it bolts on right here,
Yeah,
it's supposed to be this long, because you know the Corvette, how it is, they have that big
yeah.
front.
That goes
And
takes
the
in.
front right here, the twin,
Yeah.
it's like that one. It's like that, so I had to like makeshift it to fit.
Yeah,
I put a fitter here
yeah.
to put it on for the throttle body.
Nice.
Yay. Are those going to be
Nice.
like Magnum versus 300 feet?
Oh, that's it.
You doing anything else to this, baby?
Well, right now it has the 93 octane Diablo Sport tune.
Yeah,
The 93 dyno tune, throttle body boost, ported manifolds,
yeah. Nice.
cooling cylinders.
Nice.
It's all motor.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's like
That one. That one specifically.
Yeah.
like 4.6 and 4.7 to the wheel.
That's not bad.
I've been
Do we all
doing
know everybody here?
Hellcats when he slips, but like, hello?
Well, you got him, man.
I did when he slipped.
Did you flash the lights?
No,
You had to, man.
and then they're there. You see, once he like the back one like this,
Yeah.
I'm not letting up. Because if he catches this, I'm done. It's over for me. Wins a win, right? The win is a win.
Win's a win.